नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तुम्मि प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा. Students, we are on the third part of real numbers 9th standard SSC Maths 1, and up to now we have completed practice set 2.1. We have studied the definition of we have studied the example of natural number, whole number, then integers. We defined rational number. That time I had given definition of irrational number. I am going to do it once again with the example. With that time I think I had given example of 22/7. It was not a proper example. Now we study. Okay, so we are going to study about the irrational number. Irrational number. A number in form of P upon Q, where P and Q belongs to integer. P and Q belongs to integer and Q should not be equal to 0. I think you understood this. Q का वैल्यू अगर 0 हो गया, जैसे कि 2/0, उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती है. That's why it should not be 0. But P and Q both should be integer. Integers may be positive or negative numbers, but Q should not be equal to 0. You got it? And the decimal, its decimal form is non-terminal and non-recurring. Non-terminal and non-recurring means it is not going to terminate and it is not going to recur. Repeat nahi hoga. Is it right? I have given the example of rational numbers. Now see the example of irrational number. So example of irrational number is √2. See, you study that a number which are not perfect squares, like 4 का root 2 आता है, 9 का root is 3, but those which are not perfect square, like √2, √3, √5, √7, √8, all are irrational numbers. So why this I'll tell you. 2 √2/1 is actually P upon Q, where P and Q are what? Belongs to I, and Q is not equal to 0, it is 1. So first of all, we have to find out the value of √2, and we know how to find out the value of √2 by division method. That we have studied in 8th standard. Okay, so to find √2 by division method, how to do it? Shall I do it over here? Okay. So 2 के लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We are going to write. We'll do √2 as well as √3. Okay. So 2.00000000 at least by this way we'll do it. अच्छा, 2 के पहले 2 is not a perfect square. 2 के पहले वाला नंबर जो कि perfect square is 1. So I will take 1. Here I write 1. I'm going to add 1, or it will become 2. 1 1s are 1, तो 1. उसके बाद 2 0 रहना है, but will be a point. Now after 2 we are going to select a number. Suppose I am going to select number 1, तो 1 से multiply करना है, become 22. अगर मैंने 2 कंसिडर किया तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, become 44. 3 किया तो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, become what? 69. And 24 4s are 96. So 96 is just before 100. So I will put like 4. Yeah, so 4, add 4, it become 28. This become 96. I think you know it. 8th standard का पहला टॉपिक में हमने किया था. Now it is 0, 9 and 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, 0. Now it becomes 400. अगर हमारे पास the number is 28. Now I'm going to take 1. About 280, 2 into 2 करेंगे तो क्या होगा 4, 8 to the 16, 5. वो ज्यादा जा रहा है, so let's take it as what 1. I'm going to add 1. It will become 282, and this become 281. So again, if I am subtracting it, it will become 3, 9, and 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 1 and 1. Is it right? So, if I'm going to take a number, 119 is there, we are going to take 2 more zeros. अब अगर मैंने 2821 लिया तो into 1 2821 ही हो रहा है. 2 लिया तो क्या होगा? 2 से बटेगा 4 4 16 5 नहीं चलेगा. 2823 लिया तो क्या हो गया? 3 3 9 3 2 6 24 2 and 8. अच्छा, we'll try with 4. So 4 4s are 16. Correct? 16 1. 4 to the 8 1 9. 8 to the 32. 3 8 to the. Okay, अपना काम हो गया. So I'll take it as what 4. Here I'll take what 4. I'm going to add 4. 8 2 8 2. Is it right? And we have got 1 1 2 9 6. So again, when you are subtracting, this will become 8, this 10 and 9 and 10. 10 का रहेगा तो क्या होगा? 4 0 then 6 0 0. Now, if I am taking 0 0, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है देखो? 28 to 4 2 आएगा. Okay, so if I am taking 2, I am going to add 2. 4 8 2 8 2. So if I am doing it with it, so what will happen now? Suppose if I am going to multiply by 2, so 4 6 5 6 5. So 5 6 5 6 4. This will become 3 9 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. This will also become 5. This become 9. 13 minus 5 is 8 3 0. So it is going to continue. See, this number is not repeated. ये नंबर 400 नहीं आया, 3836 आ गया. फिर हम लोग 0 0 लेंगे तो you are going to get some different number that indicates that this one. What is that? Root 2 is equal to 1.4142 dot 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 dot. It is non-terminating and non-recurring. Therefore, root 2, and actually root 2 upon 1 is a irrational number. Have you understood this? Please copy down the definition once again and copy down how to calculate root 2, because this is given in textbook. Get it in the same way. Copy down. As I told you that a number which are not a perfect squares, they are irrational number. We'll check it for root 4. Root 3. Sorry, I made a mistake. 4 is a perfect square. Root 3. Root 3 का मतलब क्या होगा है? That is the root 3 upon 1. It is in the form of what? P upon Q. We have to find out the value in a decimal form. So for that, how to find out the value of root 3? So that is equal to 3.00000000. And it will be what? Now, 3 के पहले वाला perfect square is 1 only, as we consider for 2 का जैसा निकालता वैसे 1 plus 1 2, 1 1 जा 1 2. अब 0 0 लेके हम लोग पॉइंट देंगे, right? So 25 से ट्राई करते हैं, because 200 is there ना, तो ये भी आ रहा है 115, वो भी नहीं चलेगा. 27 से ट्राई करते हैं. 7 7 जा 49. 7 twos are 14. Okay. So 7 is better. We got 7 sevens are 49. 4 7 twos are 14 plus 4 is 189. और क्या ऐड करेंगे अभी हम लोग 7 है और 7 ऐड करेंगे it become 34. Correct? And when I subtract it, I get 1, 9 and 10. 10 minus 9 is 1, 1 and becomes 0, 0. Okay? So 1100 is there. Now 34 में अगर 1 ऐड किया तो वही होगा 131, 141, 2 से किया तो क्या होगा 4, 8 and 6. अगर मैं 3 से कर रहा हूं तो क्या आएगा 3, 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12, 3 3 are 9 plus 1. Okay, it's okay. So what I'm going to do? 3 are. So 3, 3 3 are 3 plus 3, 6, 4, 3, and what you got? 1029. Check it once again. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 1 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. Okay. Now this becomes 0, 9 and 10. 10 minus 9 is 1, 7, 0, 0. And I'm going to take again 0, 0. अब अगर हम लोग 1 लेते हैं 3, 4, 6, 1 तो वही आएगा. अगर 2 से लेंगे तो क्या होगा 2 2s are 4, 12, 1, 9 and 3 2s are 6. Okay, that will do. 2s are 2. Add करेंगे 2. So it is 4, 6, 4, 3 and we got 6, 9, 2, 4. So when I subtract it, this becomes 0, 9 and 10. This 6, 7. This will become 6, 10. 10 minus 1 is 0. Again 0, 0. But now these numbers are not get repeated. So that indicates what? Root 3 का जो value है. Root 3 is equal to 1.732. ये terminate नहीं होगा. तो it is non-terminating and non-recurring. Therefore, root 3 is irrational number. कैसा है ये? Irrational number है. तो अभी एक की दिमाग में रखो. रूट 1 का वैल्यू है 1, इट इज अ रैशनल नंबर. रूट 2 का वैल्यू नहीं निकाल सकते, इट इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, इट इज इरेशनल नंबर. रूट 3 इरेशनल नंबर. रूट 4 का वैल्यू इज 2, रैशनल नंबर. रूट 5 इरेशनल. रूट 6 इरेशनल. रूट 7 इरेशनल. रूट 8 इरेशनल. रूट 9 रैशनल. इट इज लाइक दैट. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? सो डू वन थिंग, you copy down this example once again. This is one more example that is given in textbook. You also do it. Copy down it properly by pausing. Now, properties of irrational numbers. ये properties तुम्हें exam में as a write a properties वगैरह नहीं आएगा, but you should know that will help you a lot for the further education. 11 12 में तो बहुत काम आता है ये सब चीजें. ये सब थोड़ा सा तुम्हें डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए ऐसा लगेगा क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, बट यू डू इट प्रॉपरली. एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन. एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ रैशनल इरेशनल नंबर विथ रैशनल नंबर is irrational number, or addition or subtraction of irrational number with rational number is irrational. Means if I am adding or subtracting irrational number with rational number, then the number answer we got is an irrational number. So addition or subtraction of irrational number with rational number is irrational number. For example, root 2 plus root 4, that is root 2 plus 2 is irrational number. Or root 2 minus 2 or root 2 minus root 4 is also irrational number. जो आंसर आएगा वो क्या रहेगा? इरेशनल नंबर रहेगा. वंस अगेन, अ नंबर addition or subtraction of irrational number with rational number is also what? Irrational number. Just now we have studied what is the meaning of it. रूट 2 का वैल्यू कितना था? 1.142 डॉट उसमें क्या ऐड किया? 2. तो क्या होगा? 2.4142 डॉट होगा. इट इज अ नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नंबर, मीन्स इट इज एन इरेशनल नंबर. सेम वे, इफ आई एम टेकिंग दिस रूट 2 इज हाउ मच? रूट 2 इज 1.4142 dot minus 2. If I subtract it, then also what will happen then? Minus 1.4142 dot. It is irrational number. Have you understood this? What is the first property? Addition or subtraction of irrational number. Irrational number is this: root 2, root 3, root 5. बट ये रूट 4 क्या है? रैशनल नंबर है. अगर इन दोनों को ऐड किया तो वट एवर इफेक्ट आई एम गेटिंग, इट इज अ इरेशनल नंबर. सो एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ इरेशनल नंबर विद रैशनल नंबर इज अ इरेशनल नंबर. तो विद एग्जांपल यू कॉपी डाउन प्रॉपर्ली. सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और division of irrational number with rational number is always irrational. You got it? Multiplication or division of irrational number. Root 3 upon, suppose root 4 is there. Root 3 upon 2, 1.732 upon 2. तो भी क्या रहेगा? It is non-terminating and non-recurring. We'll take one more example. Root 3 into root 4 is equal to, as the order is same, it becomes root 12, but it is not a perfect square. It is non-terminating and non-recurring. It is irrational number. It is a irrational number. What are the first property? Addition or subtraction of rational number with irrational number is irrational. Here, multiplication or division of irrational number with rational number. Irrational number with rational number is again irrational. So, copy down it properly. Now, third property is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Division of two irrational numbers. Two irrational numbers are rational or irrational. जो एडिशन करते हैं, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ टू इरेशनल नंबर्स मे बी रैशनल और इरेशनल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी कैन टेक suppose root 2 is there and root 8 is there. It is irrational number. Numbers we can say. But multiplication is 8 into 2, 16, 4.00. It is a rational number. You got it? But if they are giving root 2 and root 3, both are irrational numbers. That is equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to root 6. It is irrational number. So, I have given two examples, that is more than enough. Once again, how many properties we have studied for irrational numbers? Addition or subtraction of rational numbers with irrational number is always irrational number. Second one is multiplication or division of rational number with irrational number is always irrational number. And third one is addition or subtraction or multiplication as well as division of two irrational numbers are rational or may be irrational. क्या हो सकता है? It may be rational or irrational. So, see here, there are two numbers, root 2 and root 8. Both are irrational numbers. But multiply किया तो क्या है? root 16. root 16 का वैल्यू कितना होता है? 4. 4 means terminated. It is a rational number. But root 2 into root 3, root 6 आया. Root 6 is not a perfect square. The root 6 is an irrational number. Means multiplication, adding or subtraction of two irrational numbers may be rational or may be irrational. Copy down it properly. Now, next part is properties of order relation of real numbers. देखो वापस से रियल नंबर्स क्या होते हैं? रियल नंबर इज अ यूनिवर्सल सेट ऑफ नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर, इंटीजर्स, रियल रैशनल नंबर एज वेल एज इरेशनल नंबर, सब बनके क्या बनता है? रियल नंबर्स. तो उसकी प्रॉपर्टी ऑर्डर रिलेशन का मतलब होता है इक्वल टू, लेस देन और मोर देन टाइप ऑफ रिलेशन. तो प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रिलेशन और ऑर्डर रिलेशन ऑफ व्हाट? रियल नंबर्स. पहली प्रॉपर्टी 1, इफ A and B are or B two real numbers, the order relation hold good are A is equal to B हो सकता है और A is greater than B and A is smaller than B. ये relations they are holding good if A and B are what? Two real numbers. A और B का उसका P upon Q के फॉर्म में रहेगा, but they are real numbers. So क्या होगा? अगर दो numbers है A and B तो उनमें क्या रिलेशन हो जाता है? तो दो नंबर इक्वल हो सकते हैं, एक नंबर बड़ा हो सकता है और दूसरा छोटा, या दूसरा बड़ा और पहला छोटा. दैट इज द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी. प्रॉपर्टी 2, if A, B, C are, if A, B and C be real numbers, if A is smaller than B is smaller than C, then what I can write? A is smaller than C. This is the second property. A, B, C क्या है? रियल नंबर्स है. A किससे छोटा है? B से. B किससे छोटा है? C से. मतलब सबसे बड़ा कौन रहेगा? C. और सबसे छोटा कौन रहेगा? A. Then property 3. Property 3. If A, B, C are C, B real numbers. Okay, and A is less than B. Therefore, A plus C is also less than B plus C. Got it? If A is less than B है, अगर A plus C है, will be greater than B plus C. Okay, got it now? Have you understood this? Now we are going for the property 4. ये जरा important property है. Okay, if A, B, C be real numbers. अभी real numbers may be natural, may be whole number, may be integers. Integer है तो ये positive हो सकता है और negative भी हो सकता है. Right? It is if A is less than B. A is less than B. If C is greater than 0, means C is positive real number, I can say that C will be less than B. And if C is less than 0, C is negative natural number, a negative real number. Therefore, क्या होगा फिर? As A is less than B, then AC will be greater than BC. Because ये negative है ना, negative की वजह से साइन चेंज हो जाता है. Okay, once again, A is less than B. If C is positive, so what I can write then? C is positive, so AC will be less than BC. जैसा साइन यहाँ रहेगा वैसा ही यहाँ रहेगा. And if A is smaller than B, but C is negative, so what I can write then? ये साइन उल्टा हो जाएगा. I'll give one example. Suppose 5 is there and 7 is there. So ultimately 7 is greater than 5. Suppose I multiply by plus 2. तो क्या होगा यहाँ पे? 7 into plus 2. तो 10 is less than 40. ये तो हो ही जाएगा. But 5 into minus 2 किया और 7 into minus 2 किया तो minus 10 और minus 14 में ये greater हो जाता है. That is the reason. Here A, B, C are real numbers. A is smaller than B. If C is positive then AC is smaller than BC. But अगर C नेगेटिव हो गया तो साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. These are the properties of order relation of real numbers. Once again, property order का मतलब ये होता है A equal to less than or more than sign. Is it right? Of which numbers? Real number. Real number में सब numbers आते हैं. Natural number, whole number, rational, irrational, integer, सब numbers आते हैं. आपने क्या लिया कि दो A and B are real numbers. We don't know कि rational है, irrational है, जो भी है. उन दोनों में दो रिलेशन हो सकते हैं. या तो दोनों नंबर इक्वल रहेंगे, या तो एक बड़ा रहेगा, या तो दूसरा बड़ा रहेगा. Is it right? Then property 2. If A, B, C are real numbers, A is smaller than B, then B and B is smaller than C. So I can say that A is smaller than C. If A, B, C are real numbers, A is less than B. So A plus C will be less than B plus C. जो भी साइड रहेगी वो यहाँ पे आएगी. But in case of multiplication, A is smaller than B. अगर C पॉजिटिव रहेगा वही साइन है, बट C नेगेटिव हो गया तो साइन चेंज हो जाता है. प्लीज कॉपी डाउन इट प्रॉपरली बाय अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट. नहीं तो और एक बार समझ लो अच्छी तरह से और फिर कॉपी कर लेना. ओके, कॉपी डाउन. नाउ स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ negative numbers. Square root of negative numbers. इसके पहले एक कॉन्सेप्ट समझ लेना. सपोज -2 का स्क्वायर है तो -2 इंटू -2 होगा, दैट इज माइनस माइनस +4 हो जाएगा. और 2 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा और +2 का स्क्वायर क्या होगा, +2 इंटू +2 तो +4. अब ये जो 4 है इट मे बी अ स्क्वायर ऑफ +2 या इट मे बी स्क्वायर ऑफ -2. तो ये जो √4 रहता है वो या तो +2 होगा और -2 होगा. प्लस और माइनस इज +2 और 4 इज इक्वल टू -2. गॉट इट नाउ. बट मैं बोलूंगा कि व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ √-4 is not possible. It is not possible. That's why square root of, note, square root of negative number is not a real number. ऐसा नंबर कभी होता ही नहीं है. Is not a real number. This is the important thing. Once again, square root of negative numbers. तो -2 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है, +4. +2 का स्क्वायर क्या होता है, +4. मतलब 4 किसका स्क्वायर है, +2 का भी स्क्वायर होता है, -2 का भी उसका स्क्वायर. तो √4 क्या होगा, +2 और -2. बट स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ -4 इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं होगा. Therefore, square root of negative number is not a real number. √-9 not a real number. Root of -5 is not a real number. So square root of negative number is not a real number. So please copy down it properly, and we are going to stop here for the part 3 of real numbers. We are going to continue in next part. We'll start with the practice set 2.2. But students, whatever I have taught you today may be possible at this moment. We'll find out कि सर ने कितना कुछ बताया, बहुत कुछ है. But these are the concept. Please keep in mind all the properties you should know. You find out the reason behind it. मैंने कुछ reasons भी तुम लोगों को दिए हुए. But this will help you for the further studies. 11th-12th में बहुत सारा काम में आता है, इसलिए अभी से तैयारी करके रखो. Okay, students, pause the video, copy down it, and we are going to stop here only for part